Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log out of the Threads account. So before that, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Threads application. So now the first thing you should do here is you have to launch your Threads application, log into that specific account. Now you have to click your profile at the bottom right corner, tap your profile right here. On your profile, you have to click these two lines at the top right corner. Click this one. And if you scroll down here, you should see the log out option. So you have to tap on log out. Or if you want to switch account, then you can also switch your account. But that's how you log out your account here. So if you encounter some problems like you cannot log out your Thread account, then it's time to update your threads. You can go to your Google Play Store, and then this time you have to look or search for threads here. Tap on the search icon, type threads. And then once you see an update button, then you need to tap on the update button right here. Wait for a couple of seconds, and once done, open your threads account. So once updated, then you can now log out your account right here. So important note, you will be signed out of your Threads account. Threads is linked to your Instagram. Logging out of Threads will also log you out of your linked Instagram account in the application. So to switch accounts, you can add another Instagram account and use a Threads with it instead of fully logging out. Don't worry, if you log back into Threads, you'll also automatically log back into your Instagram since they share credentials. And that's how easy it is to log out of Threads account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.